Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a very simple stamina system in Unreal Engine 5. When you run, the stamina will decrease, when you stop it will increase, and when the stamina is 0, the player stop running and he start walking. Please guys, I have a problem in the reach of my channel, so please support me by liking, commenting and subscribing to my channel, and let's get started. I'm using the default third-person project of Unreal Engine. If we play, as you see here, the player is already running. So before we do anything, we make him just walking. And to change this, go to Content, Third-person Blueprint, and open your character blueprint. Here, go to Character Movement and search Walk. As you see here, max walk speed is 500. I'm gonna make it 215, for example. Compile. If we play, now I have my player is just walking. Now go back to your character blueprint, here down, type left shift. So before anything we need two variable, we need the stamina variable, change this to float, and also we need a boolean type is running, and change this to boolean. When we press, we want to take is running and set it to true. And we want to change the value that I already shown you, which is walk speed. We find it here. Here is max walk speed. So take character movement and type set max walk speed. Let's type 500. Copy this, paste it here. If we release the button, we want is running to be false, and the max walk speed return to 215. Now compile. Now I have an error here. Just plug this to target. Compile, save. If we play now I'm walking. If I press the shift button, the player starts running, and if I release the button, he starts walking again. Now we need to implement the stamina system. So go back to your character blueprint, here down, type, let's create a custom event, name it use stamina. Before anything, we take our stamina, press Ctrl, or you can drag and drop and type get. So we need to check if the stamina is greater than 0. We make a branch. If the stamina is greater than 0, we want to check is running is true or false. If it's true, we want to consume our stamina, so we make a delay, for example, for 0.2 seconds. And we take the stamina, we subtract. Here you choose any value you want. I'm gonna choose, for example, 5, and add a clump float here. What does it mean? We need to clump the stamina value, so the minimum will be 0 and the maximum 100. And we set the stamina. If it is false now, I mean the player is not running. Copy this and paste it here. But this time we need to add the stamina. So press add. I'm gonna put 5 here, for example. Plug this to value, and that's it. And to make it a little bit organized, let's create a function, two functions. Let's type here consume stamina. Let's take this, copy it, delete it from here, and let's paste it to consume stamina. And let's do another function, which is called regenerate stamina. Let's copy this and paste it here. And now, if the player is running, we consume the stamina. We call the function, this function that we created. If it's false, we regenerate the stamina. Okay, now we need also to check if the stamina is less or equal to 0. What we want to do, we want to take our character movement and set the max walk speed to 215. So Drag your character movement, type set walk speed, type 215. And we want also to start regenerating the stamina. I'm gonna explain this very fast. If we use our stamina first, we want to check the stamina is greater than 0. If it's yes, we want to check that the player is running. If he's running, we consume the stamina. If he is not, we regenerate the stamina. Also, when the stamina is less than 0 or equal 0, we want the player to start walking and we generate the stamina. That's it. Now we need to call this use stamina function in event tag. So add your event tag and type use stamina. Now, just for testing, let's print a string. Take our stamina, go to stamina and set your stamina value to 100. Compile, save. If we test now, I have the stamina is 100. When I start running, the value is decrease. When I release the shift, it will increase. And when it's 0, the player will walk. Now let's add our progress bar in the game. Right mouse click, go to user interface, widget blueprint. Let's name it widget blueprint stamina. Open it. In search poly type canvas. And type also progress bar, drag and drop in canvas. Here you can adjust it as you like. Here in percent, type 1. Okay, now press on your progress bar, in percent, click bind, and type create binding. Now in get percent, cast to your own character. For example, we're using the PP third person character, which is this character. In object type get player character. And here type stamina. So we get the stamina value. And you can multiply this or subtract it by 100. Why we do this? Because the progress bar percent is 1 and our stamina is 100. So like this, compile, go back to your character blueprint. Here in event begin play, go type create widget. Search for stamina widget. And in return value type add to viewport. Compile. If we test now, I have my stamina. If you want to delete this number here, go back to your character and delete this. Print string, compile, and now if we test, I have my stamina working fine. So if I release the button, the stamina will increase. If I press, it will decrease. And if it's 0, the player stop running. That's it, guys. I hope this tutorial was very easy for you. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to support me, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.